Hey guys, how's it going? Me? Amazing. Um, oh, guess what? Or, guess what? Guess what? If you can't guess, you're stupid. Well, I have a new Douglas. Cause that's the title of the video. It's right here. Right there. Right down there somewhere. And we're gonna open it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Cause I don't want to ruin the surprise. So if I tell you, you may go look it up, or you may already know what it is, so we're just gonna see it. But all I can say is it's new with tag, brand new, and it's retired. It was retired in 2023. It's black and white. Those are the 5 hints I'm giving you, and if you can guess before, I show you, leave a cookie emoji in the comments. Hopefully they're on. Okay, well, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so over here we have the box. And I'm gonna stand over there and unbox it so you can see more of it. But I'm not gonna talk during that, or try not to. Sharp object warning. And also, I forgot to mention, I've been in search of this Douglas for like a year. And it's, it cost me a lot, but it was worth it. And, well, hopefully is worth it, because I'm gonna see it right now. Yeah! Okay, get ready for the reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, get ready. Oh my gosh. She's absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Trying to read everything. Ooh. Oh my god. She's perfect. She's exactly like they said she was. May 2021. Like I said, she was retired in 2023. And, yeah. This was a bit of a messy unboxing video, but, my mom made some cookies, so I kind of want to go eat them. So, I'm gonna give you a little review of her, just in case you find her somewhere. Okay? Okay, this is her from the front. She still has her tag, which is from Rescue Pups. The underside. She still has her bleached collar thingy. She's totally brand new. Her other side, underside. All her fur is the same texture, and it's all very soft. Very soft texture. She has these pinned ears, or sewed ears. Pleather nose. I don't know what I'm trying to do, but that's my little review of this little gal. And I'm gonna say goodbye now, and hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know anything. I'm open to questions or whatever. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Bye, guys!
Got me jumping like